I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hi everyone, I'm Jonah, and thanks for joining us in today's DIY. And so today, we're going to remove our old kitchen fluorescent light. We've had this light since 1997, and it's about time we give it a good fresh look. We're going to replace it with a nice flat panel light from Costco. First, removing the plastic light cover. From the top of the ladder, we can see there are a total of 4 clips, 2 on each side. One right over here, and another one right over here. And on the other side of the light, one here, and another one right over there. And these are the 4 clips that hold up the plastic cover. So the first thing I do is gently pull out the plastic cover on each side of the clip. The cover bends easily. And I do this to the same side with the other clip. Now that you have opened up one side of the light, you can now easily push out the cover from the light fixture. Wow, notice all those cobwebs. Alright, first thing we do is turn off the power. So simply turn off the correct light switch. And for extra safety measure, you can put a tape over that switch so nobody accidentally turns it on. That's so your wife and daughter doesn't accidentally turn it on. Okay, move the cover. That was in you can see that in the video before here. And we remove the light. Now, we're gonna remove this section right here, and this one right here, and one on the other side also, right there, and on the other side also, one on each side there, and on the other side. What we gotta do is press it in. There you go. Press that in. There you go. It comes right out. Over here. So we're going to have 3 screws to remove. This one right here, another one right here, which is our ground wire, and the other one on the other side over there. Next thing we'll do is we'll remove or undo the black, white, and ground wire. Now I look for the 2 black wires so I can remove them apart. Notice this black wire has some white paint on it, so do not be fooled. It is a black wire. The contractors who painted the ceiling with primer accidentally got some white paint on the black wire. Okay, just twist the orange wire connector counterclockwise. Then just pull the wires apart. And next, undo the 2 white wires. And next, we'll remove the ground wire. That's the exposed copper wire that's usually screwed down right here. My ground wire that has to come out. There we go. Good. There we go. Black, white. This one center. Now you can undo the 2 screws that hold down the light fixture, one on each side. This took a little while because the screw was very long.
This long. That's one down. This one on the other side. I just need this one right there.
Okay, this one's a little bit tricky because you're on a 6-foot ladder and you have to hold with your left hand the other side of the light fixture while with your right hand you're unscrewing the screw.
Gotta hold it with your left hand to hold this up. Hold it up with your left hand and so it doesn't fall on you. And unscrew this one. Didn't take us such a long screw.
Well, finally. Good job, Jonah. How does your arm feel? Okay, it looks like there's 2 big holes on my ceiling drywall. So I'll probably have 2 choices. I can probably putty it, or my new light fixture may cover it. So stay tuned for the next video, where we install the new Costco flat panel kitchen lights. So if you like my video and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.